The 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, wheel locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.